All right, 2002 RSX base model starter install. This is reinstall, so it's probably a bunch of videos out there that shows you what to do, how to remove this. I'm just gonna do mine backwards. Okay, you take a look, make sure the starter is it matches. So in this case, how do you know the starter is the fault? Well, first of all, you check the battery. The battery still works, still has good amperage, good voltage, then it's good. And you want to test it out, you can swap it with a good battery. You still get the clicking noise or it barely wants to start. Most likely it's the starter. Make sure you check the fuses. Next thing you want to do is once you pull out your starter, go get it tested, right? AutoZone or whatever. What happens is, what you realize is, or you have a multimeter, there's a way to test it too. You're looking for a 12 volt jump. If it doesn't meet that, it means it's pretty much dead. So in this case, this didn't meet that. It was anywhere from 0 to 11. So that's why it wouldn't kick. It's a new starter right here. Make sure everything matches or looks the same. So, all right. So the install is pretty much, I'm gonna put this back in here. There's two main bolts. So let me put this in and then I'll show you where those bolts are. All right. 14, 17. After you're done, you tighten it. There's no torque specs. Next thing is the clips, right? So it's one. Make sure that's in. This goes on top there, so unbolt that, and then this looks like the knock sensor. So this goes here. There you go. All right. Then this clips back onto here. Okay. I'm gonna get this in and then we kind of go outwards. Kind of clean this. All right, let me get this thing in first. All right. That was a 12 millimeter. Now the next part that goes in will be the intake manifold. All right, so you might be wondering, how the heck did I get that intake manifold out? Such odd looking shape. Well, see these right here? Radiator support bracket has to come off. There's basically 4 bolts, one here behind there, one there behind there. You can see there. What I did is I removed the radiator support bracket also, and then you just lift. Okay, so all right, secure this. 5 needs to go in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Secure this in, and then the next, we'll go to the next step. All right, the next step I'm going to do is secure this back. So it's pretty easy. Just going to lift everything back up. I'll show you. Ready? There you go. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then that clamps onto that. All right, let me put those on. All right, next, this for the intake, the airflow, and for the bracket for the AC, the low line. All right, next you could do these clips. Right there. There's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, next, 4 bolts for the mass airflow. Okay, it's 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. All right, next, plug all the sensors to the mass airflow back. Next, put the boot back and plug the breather hose and the sensor. Next, tighten these 10 millimeter. Next, put this hose back. This mount right here, see that right there? Mount it back. This clip goes back on there and connects to right there. Okay. All right, next, these 2, and then the oh yeah, and then here, this goes here. Good. Oh yeah, there's one more right there. You see my finger? There's a sensor there to unplug. Make sure you plug that back too. Alright, let me try to get that one. Alright, moment of truth. Hook the battery up, fire it up, and see what happens, right? Let's do this. Ready? Moment of truth for the starter. There it goes. Make sure all lights are off. Good. Alright. Good, we're done.